Hey everyone! Welcome to Travel Around Suzy. Today we get to tour this Nissan, and this is part of Tina the Outsider, and it is Tony's van, and I am going to take you on a tour of it. And he does like his flags, so he's got a pretty sweet setup out here. You can see he's got the solar and the lights. Hi Tony!
Hey!
How are ya?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. And this is a Nissan
NV?
Is it like a 3500 or
2500.
2500. Year?
2015. Got the 8-cylinder, the big boy. But yeah, it's got a great engine in it though. I really do enjoy this on the freeway.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then, is this for another flag, or what's this little doohickey here?
At nighttime, I will flip this, and then it lights up the flags.
And it's all solar powered?
Mm-hmm. See that little white box right there?
Oh, okay, in the windshield there?
Yep. It's got a little laser on it.
Okay.
And it shoots it out 180 degrees. So it makes the trees look like they have little fairies in them.
Uh-huh.
Little lasers.
Right.
All right, got my little outdoor shower. The blue tank, the aqua.
Okay. It's
a 7-gallon aqua. I got 2 of those for fresh water. The plumbing system sucks out of the aqua.
Okay.
And sends it through the water pump, which is currently broken.
Oh, that's right. You did tell me that.
And then it goes to the hot water tank, which is in here. And then hot water and cold water will also come out here. So I got a deep sink. Got 400 amp hours of AGM battery. Take a look in here. 220 watts pure sine wave. Got 200 watts of solar on the roof. MTTP charge controller.
That's awesome.
It handles the hot water tank and my induction cooker.
And then do you have Sure Power or no?
Yeah, I do actually.
Okay.
So you take this out. I got 3 things connected to it right now. It's connected to the 6-amp battery charger. And currently I have my hot water tank plugged into here. And it's also connected to this cord, which I slither to the front to run my portable AC unit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, AC. AC in a van.
There you go.
So this van is also for sale. I don't want to do another one. So I'm letting this one go for $34,500.
Well, you heard it here, guys.
Yeah.
If you like this van tour, you like what you see, Tony has got it up for sale.
Let's jump up in here though.
All right, go ahead.
Come on up.
Nice deep sink.
Yeah, I love it.
So you stain the wood and then you put them together?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. Got some storage up here.
Yeah, these.
Oh, look at that, even on the shop. Nice, nice.
This one's the same way. Light, no backings, no tops. And the bottoms have no bottoms or no backings.
Okay.
This is the rest of the electrical. I got all the manuals for everything that I'm running here. Got a little list of what's
nice.
what the breakers run.
Nice.
A little breaker box there, 12 volt.
I know that you and Tina are sleeping in this, and I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, that ain't enough room. So, you want to elaborate on the bed configuration here?
Sure, I can give you let me give you the 10-second. So we got the slats.
Nice.
Pulls out.
Right.
And we got the cushions. And this one does the same thing, and then it becomes a full-size bed.
Nice, nice, nice. All right.
Got all the blankets and pillows.
Sleep.
Of course, the Lagoon table.
Oh, yeah.
You're not a van builder unless you install one Lagoon. Plug in your laptop right here.
Yeah.
And you can stand here.
Yeah.
Got a nice view. Want to peek out underneath there? Water tanks, water pump.
And And I'm assuming to get access to this, it just slides out from underneath.
Close. I got this design off of the UK van life page.
Well, look at that.
Kind of snazzy, huh?
Yeah.
It's refrigerator over here.
Aha, refrigerator on a slide. I had mine on the slide too. So.
Nice and deep.
Oh yeah. And what brand is this?
It's a Joy.
Joy Titus?
Yeah.
All right, so you covered the shower and you covered the bed. Now people are gonna ask, do you have a bathroom in here?
You women ain't gonna like this.
So it's a man's van is what you're trying to tell me, huh?
But when need be.
There you go. It's what I have in my van.
I mean, it works as long as you keep it clean.
Yep. So you did say you had an AC in here, but I don't see it mounted on the roof.
It's a portable AC unit that on wheels that you put in a home.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah,
okay.
It sets right here, or to that orange cord from the back when I am on shore power. And then it vents out the side window.
Okay.
But it does the job.
And then you have a curtain system. Are them blackout curtains?
Yes.
All right. So that's how you keep privacy when you're... And then, oh, look at, got some storage here. Look at this, guys.
Little bungee cord on both sides.
Awesome.
CB works.
Awesome.
And these are the controls. This runs off the house batteries.
Okay.
You got your front drive off-road lights.
Okay.
And then you got your side lights.
Okay.
And this is like a blinker, like a
four-way flash system.
It's like a flasher for emergencies. When I'm on the freeway, I've only had to use it once. When I'm parked, I like to be able to run my security camera. And that little laser light plugs in here. And then another little plug over here.
And a little shelf for your phone at night.
It's my little nightstand.
There you go.
And the 12-volt plug here is capable of running a 12-volt heated blanket. And everybody loves those
the little twinkle lights.
Yeah, they run on both sides. They switch colors.
Oh yeah, all the fancy stuff. Do you have them up in here too?
Yeah,
it looks
I
like.
Do. That's
okay.
Why,
yeah.
That's why this is plastic.
Gotcha.
And at nighttime, it looks really, really cool. Little max air fan. So small.
Oh
yeah. It does an okay job. The wires are there if anybody wants to put a bigger one in.
So future owner could put in a bigger one. So if anybody is interested in buying this van, how many miles does it have on it?
124.
Currently, but you are currently driving it. So it will go up. So, alrighty.
V8s.
Any major issues that you've had with it?
Nothing.
No lights on the dash going on right now?
Nope.
And for anybody interested in just seeing the front, what it looks like, just the normal stuff, radio, hand controls, windows, power, all that good stuff. Well, thank you, Tony, so much for giving us this tour of the van. And when Tony figures out how he wants to be contacted for this van that's up for sale, I will put it in the description. So make sure you click that link that says more in the description on this video, and you will have a way of getting a hold of Tony. Thank you so much for watching, and safe travels. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed the Nissan like I did, go check out the ProMaster right here in this box. And it has a moonshade and a bike rack. Click on this right here. Thanks for watching.